In the small village of Singalampapuram, a 12-year-old girl named Samyuktha was growing up with her father Sanmugam, as her mother was no longer present. Since they had a low income in the village, they decided to go to nearby towns to do business and earn more money. Therefore, until Sanmugam returned from the town, they left Samyuktha at Murthy's house with his wife Chandra, and both of them set off. Samyuktha was not only beautiful but also always energetic, with a helpful attitude towards others, and she was capable of performing every task patiently and correctly. Moreover, she behaves respectfully towards those older than her. However, Chandra's daughter, Thara, not only lacked beauty but was also a lazy person who wouldn't do any work and wouldn't respect anyone. Therefore, Thara's mother, Chandra, became jealous seeing Samyuktha. Not only that, she made Samyuktha do all the household chores. Later, whatever food was left after they ate, Chandra gave Samyuktha the leftover old food to eat. One day, Chandra told Samyuktha, Thara's grandmother lives in a village on top of the mountain near our village. Go to them, tell them that I sent you, and take whatever that grandmother gives you and come back. Although climbing the mountain seemed difficult for Samyuktha, with no other option, she took the old food that Chandra had given her and began walking. As soon as Samyuktha left the house, Chandra, filled with jealousy, thought that the mountain would be high and rugged for Samyuktha. Therefore, climbing it would be very difficult, and even if she managed to go, returning would be even harder. So, with no other option, she sent her, thinking that Samyuktha would stay with the grandmother. However, Samyuktha, struggling, was climbing the tall mountain. Along the way, many rose plants were withering due to a lack of water. Seeing this, she cleaned the trash around the rose plants, dug a small pit to let the water gather, then fetched water from the nearby water station, poured it onto the rose plants, and tenderly cared for them before continuing her travel. After walking a long distance, Samyuktha found many jasmine plants withered, unable to grow because there was no space for the stems to spread. Immediately, Samyuktha went near the jasmine plants, gathered the dry branches lying around, set up a shelter, and spread the jasmine vine stems on the shelter. Then, she poured the required amount of water onto the plants and resumed her journey. After walking a small distance, Samyuktha saw a colony of ants suddenly running along the path and struggling in the water. Seeing this, she used her clothes to scoop the ants out, put them on the ground, saved them, and after eating the old food she had brought with her, she resumed her journey. In this way, while traveling and helping along the way, Samyuktha reached the grandmother's house and lovingly called out, "Grandma." The grandmother, who came out, asked, "Who is it?" To this, Samyuktha replied, "Grandma, I have been sent by Chandra Amma." Immediately, the grandmother said, "Come, granddaughter," and lovingly took her inside. As soon as Samyuktha entered the house, she cleaned and decorated house, transforming the grandmother's house to look like a new home. Seeing this, the grandmother was amazed, thinking about her skill in doing the work. Due to Samyuktha's hard-working nature and patience, she received gift from grandmother, and the benefits she gained from that gift can be seen in the next part of this story. Come, let's see.